Everyone, welcome to Link Academy. Today we want to draw out an hexagon across corner. An hexagon across corner. That is, the hexagon will be showing inside of a circle. So let's start. First of all, you draw your horizontal line and vertical line this way. This is horizontal line. Take your set square this way. Draw vertical line. Now we are given the measurement to be what? 40 millimeter. Am I right? You take your meter rule, you measure 40. This is 0 to this place is 40. Am I right? So you take it to the center point where the two distinct. You draw a circle. You'll be having this to be your end product of the circle. Now the next thing for me to do is to start bringing out my hexagonal shape. This is after drawing your circle, the next thing to do is what? You want to bruise out this our hexagon. So you take your distance from here to this place, which is this. Now it cuts this place. 1, 2. You see that? You come to the other side here. Cut this 1 and 2. So the next thing to do is to what? Take your pencil. You can just say this. Let it be A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. So you connect, and let's be point 0 and point 0. So we are going to connect A prime to D prime. So doing that, we are having this. Connect them together. It's a thick line. Taking it. Can you see that now? Next thing to do, connect O to A prime. So connecting O to A prime, we are having this. Likewise, connecting O to B prime, we are having this. C prime to B prime, we are having this, and D prime to O, or we call it O prime, we are having this, and lastly, point C. This point here, let me show you. It's like point C. Bring this point to this point. I'll be having this. So I have successfully drawn out my hexagon across corner of measurement of what? Of measurement of 40 millimeter. If you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and like. Thank you. Welcome to Link Academy.